right, 2025 Toyota Corolla. We have the automatic parking brake with this one. We want to disable that, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put our foot on the brake and turn off the parking brake, okay? You can see now I don't have the notification on the dash anymore. It says parking brake. Now, with my foot still on the brake, all we have to do is push and hold down the button. Keep holding it down, and we will get a notification on the cluster saying electronic parking brake shift interlock function deactivated. Now it won't turn on every time you put it in park, turn the car off, it won't automatically turn on. If you want to turn this feature back on, put your foot on the brake, enable the parking brake. You can hear it go, and we get the light back on. With your foot still on the brake, just pull and hold, and it will tell us that it's enabled again. Okay, so it's activated. Then you can let go and you're good to go. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another video.